Come on over here. Slide down. Can you slide down this side? And then jump? Onto the pavement?
Right here?
Yeah, this is gonna be like scarred. This is gonna be awesome.
Cut my knee. Oh god, that hurt my knees.
Dude, are you right?
Oh yeah.
Did you hit your head?
No.
Did you hit your knees?
Yeah.
Are you right? Did you do good?
Dude, just leave me here for a second.
Did you hit your head?
No.
He's good! He didn't hit his head.
Oh my god. Oh my shit. Oh.
How did you hit your knees?
Cause I went face first, Sean.
I don't think I got it on tape. Gotta do it again.
Oh dude. Oh shit.
Did you hit your knees on the ground? I didn't see it. I was like looking at the camera. I don't even think I got it.
I was just about to jump off. I was like, no, let's just keep going.
Oh my god.
My feet are frozen.
I can't feel my knees.
My freaking shins all chopped up.
Nick. Bad decisions.
Oh, I drew blood. I drew blood.
Bad decisions lead to good
Memories.
I don't know why I'm putting my hand out. Lead to good stories. That's why shopping cart down the hill.
Get the hell, man.
Get the. Are you okay?
Ow! No, I'm not. I probably freaking.
Should we call the hospital? Let me see your knee.
I'm trying to. Ouch.
What if it's like popping? Oh my, dude, your whole kneecap. Nah. Let's see the other one. See how many bones popped.
You fucking kidding me? Did that hurt? Oh. That hurt? Now it's down my pocket. Yes, it did, Jerry. I really hit it. Oh, dude, it's in my back. Ow, my hand still hurt.
Put your hands in the ice. It'll make it. It'll sanitize it.
Look, I drew blood right there. Well,
no, that's not too bad.
I didn't even
Me and Nick had the worst like days.
Did you get it on film?
I think.
He's so soft, Dick Jerry.
You missed it. I ate shit.
Dude, this whole night is just videos of Jerry being dumb.
Well, they're like, I'm the only one that can.
Why does he do that?
I also too when I went through and I had my freaking shoes on.
Yeah, I have blood.
Wait, look what happens when you throw something at Jerry. Jerry!
And Sean goes jump off.
Jerry!
before It gets rough, but I decide not to.
Oh, fuck, you dropped it.
It's on video. More than I thought it would. No, out there. Oh!
Alright, no more. No more. Stop. I don't.
I just want to like lift this all up. Like, no, you just gotta do it.
No, I might just rip off all the things.
Dan, beat him up. Jerry, Dan would fuck.
No, you touch my face, I'll kill you.
Touch his face.
I will
Touch his
kill
face.
you.
Touch his face. Touch his face. This is a convertible.
Really bad. No.
I got it on tape. I finally got it. The famous.
Dude, my nipple, man.
Hell, dude, that
The famous nips. Stop. Did you just throw it?